My name is Tulinave Mwamila from Water Institute. At the Institute, I'm the acting deputy rector for academics, research, and consultant services. With regard to unboxing dLab for digital economy, I'm very much of a stakeholder as an expert in the water sector, in the sense that as an academic institution, as an agency of the Ministry of Water, we are responsible for producing experts to work in the sector, in the water sector, technicians and engineers. So when it comes to working in the sector, you're talking about you have to impart skills to these experts so that when they are there, they are able to manage, to introduce new projects, design, planning, and all these involves compilation, collection of data, managing data to be able to come up with that project which in the end could save that community that is in need of that basic need, in this case water, and our engineers and technicians in the field to diagnose, for example, pump issues, pump matter, which we know is a very essential component in any kind of water supply project. But at the same time, with issues of collecting this data in the field, water resource related data, to be able to come up with a project that would save a certain community, you need at least to be aware of the population, which will give you an idea of the demand, and then with that can guide you to figure out what kind of source can be able to save that community, not just now, but also in the long run. So we project. So all this data, there are various ways to collect this data. I could say one example. For example, in many years back, they were developed water master plans, almost for most part of the country. You'll find this information in the libraries. Very big documents, very well full of useful information, but it's in big books, and then it's been there since 1970s. You open a book, you find yourself sneezing, you know, those kind of, and if we could digitize that, there's a lot we can extract from that, which can help us even now in moving way forward as we try to master plan again our water supply services. So, thank you.